Hello everyone, I hope you have attended all the videos up to now of make assertive, make interrogative and make exclamatory. Now, we'll move on to transformation of sentences and we'll do the details of other topics in transformation. Now see, in your textbook, in the study material that I have been given, in that remove to as a separate topic has just been as a mention. There's no detail of that, but just to be on the safer side and not trusting the institute whether they will ask or not, we'll go prepared with everything in transformation so that if at all something crops up, we are well prepared for it. So we'll study this easy topic called remove to. Now this is also something that you have studied in the past and it is a very simple topic for you to understand as well as solve. So remove to. What do we have to do in this topic? Obviously we have to remove to. Alright. So now we cannot just remove to from any sentence. Like remove to बोला है तो एक काम करो to जिधर दिख रहा है निकाल दो बाकी सब कुछ same. What we have to do is the question and the answer should always mean the same. So what we do in this is we remove TW2 and we add certain words such that the question and the answer do not differ in their meanings. Alright. So we have a total of 3 types of sentences that can be asked in remove to. A total of 3 types of sentences. The first one. The first type is when TW2 is given to you. TW2 is given to you. TO2 is not given to you. So whenever you have TW2 given, TO2 not given to you, what you will do? Remove TW2 and add very in the same place. The first type is when TW2 is given to you, TO2 is not given to you. What do you do? Remove TW2, add very in the same place. For example, the air was too cold. So you see in this TW2 is given to you, TO2 is not given to you. So what you do? You remove TW2, add very in the same place. The air was too cold becomes the air was very cold. And the question and the answer mean the same. The second one is, second type. This was the first type of sentence. This is the second type of question that may be asked. In the second type, what we have is TW2 is given to you, TO2 is also given to you. Whenever TW2 is given to you, TO2 is also given to you, what you do is you remove TW2 and add so in the same place. You remove TW2 and add so in the same place. Second thing, you remove TO2 and add that in the same place. Remove TW2, add so. Remove TO2, add that in the same place. See, understand this. This is the kind of sentence that may be asked. Where TW2 is given, TO2 is also given to you. So what do? Remove TW2, add so in that place. Remove TO2, add that in the same place. Alright. There is something else also that we need to do that we will come to a little later. So see, the sentence is Raj was too tall to fit in the car. TW2 के जगह पे so. See, TW2 is given, TO2 is also given. So it is type 2. क्या करने का? Remove TW2, add so. TW2 के जगह पे so. Remove TO2, add that. Remove TO2, add that. This much we have done successfully. Now, there's just one more step. Now, because there will be a sentence, there will also be a tense. There is a very high chance of the sentence being in any of these 3 types. कौन सा? Present, past and future. ये 3 में से एक होएगा क्योंकि चौथा कोई type ही नहीं है. Tense ही नहीं. If the question is in the present tense, you will be adding the word cannot somewhere in your answer. If the question has present tense, you'll add the word cannot somewhere in your answer. If it is in the past tense, you'll add the words could not somewhere in your answer. You'll add the words could not somewhere in your answer. And if the question is in the future tense, you'll add the words will not somewhere in your answer. You'll add the words will not somewhere in the answer. If the question is in the present tense, cannot, past tense, could not, future tense, will not. Somewhere in the answer meaning जहां पे भी suitable है. Remember the tense, very important. Raj was too tall to fit in the car. Raj was too tall. The word was tells us that is in the past tense. So because it is in the past tense, we have to add the words could not in the answer. So Raj was too tall to fit in the car. अपने को घुसाने का है could not. So can I write Raj was too tall to fit in the car? Can I write Raj was so tall that he could not fit in the car? Yes, it suits. So what I will write is Raj was so tall that he could not fit in the car. A very simple topic. Remember the tense in this. इसमें लोग excite बहुत हो जाते हैं कि नहीं मेरे को तो आ गया है, now I'm going to run with full marks, and suddenly could not के बदले cannot लिख दिया और समाप्त हो गया प्रॉब्लम. Whenever you have the tense mentioned, which will be in 100% of the cases, be aware of the tense. You will not change the tense in any sentence that comes your way, unless you have to. The third one is the third type. So see, the first type was TW2 दिया है, TO2 नहीं दिया है. Second type was TW2 दिया है, TO2 भी दिया है. Third type is when TW2 is the last word in the sentence. When TW2 is the last word in the sentence. Do you see this full stop? ये आखिरी word है. Whenever you have TW2 as the last word in the sentence, what you will do is remove TW2 and add also in the same place. Remove TW2, add also in the same place. Alright? The government wanted tax too. TW2 last word. So, the answer to this will be simple. The government wanted tax also. Now see, the answer to this can also be the government also wanted tax. But if your if your English is good, you can toggle this also आगे पीछे. If it is not very good and you don't want to take stress, write also in the end and it is a grammatically correct sentence. एकदम ही mechanically किया, ज़्यादा अपन ने दिमाग use ही नहीं किया इसमें. Alright? Quick revision of this topic. Remove two. In remove two, we have three types of sentences. The first one being TW2 दिया है, TO2 नहीं दिया है. What do you do? Remove TW2 and vary in the same place. Second type is when TW2 is given, TO2 is also given to you. What do you do? Remove TW2 and so. Remove TO2 at that. Present tense है तो cannot, past है तो could not, future है तो will not. Third type is when TW2 is the last word in the sentence. Whenever TW2 is the last word in the sentence, what do you do? Remove TW2 and also in the same place. I hope this is clear to all of you. Alright. Now, we'll quickly take the sentences and see if we are able to apply कि जो समझ में आया है वो ट्रांसफर हो रहा है कि नहीं, सेंटेंस में अपना आंसर आ रहा है कि नहीं. The first one, see, this is the way I think. Okay? Always go by types. खुद का हीरोगिरी दिखाने मत जाना कि मेरे को तो ये क्वेश्चन देख के आंसर आ जाता है, फिर वो आंसर देख के ही जीरो आ जाएगा. Always remember, think about the type, go by the rules. कुछ घाई नहीं है, कोई रेस नहीं लगा है इसमें. The thief was too fast to be easily caught by the police. The way I think it is कि ये टाइप 1 है, 2 है कि 3 है. फर्स्ट अपन वो देखते हैं. The thief was too fast to be caught easily. अच्छा, इसमें TW2 दिख रहा है, TO2 भी दिख रहा है. So it belongs to type 2. TW2 is given, TO2 is also given. Alright? Now TW2 के जगह पे I have to write so, TO2 के जगह पे I have to write that. Okay? उतना दिमाग में आ गया. Now I have to check the tense. The thief was too fast. Again, was दिया है तो we have to use the words could not somewhere in the answer. Alright? So now let us start writing the answer. The thief was too fast to be caught by the police. TW2 के जगह पे so, TO2 के जगह पे that. Okay? So the thief was TW2 के जगह पे so, fast का fast, TO2 के जगह पे that. The thief was so fast that, अभी was है तो अपने को लगाने का है could not somewhere in the answer. Okay? So could not के साथ the thief was so fast that could not easily caught by the police. Could not be easily caught. So I can write the thief was so fast that he could not be easily caught by the police. Okay, a very simple one. Second, The room was too noisy because of small kids. The room was too noisy. So, अभी रूम नॉइजी है वो जाने दो, इसमें TW2 का देखने का अपने को. TW2 is given, TO2 is not given in this. So it belongs to type 1, where TW2 is given, TO2 is not given. Okay? So what we have to do is simply remove TW2 and add very in the same place. So the room was very noisy because of small kids. Alright? The third one. Adam was happy with lesser pay too. अच्छा अभी ये कौन सा टाइप है? TW2 दिया है, TO2 नहीं दिया है. So it is type 1. TW2 is given, TO2 is not given. But TW2 is the last word in the sentence. So because TW2 is the last word in the sentence, it comes in type 3. इसमें क्या करने का है? Use the least amount of brains that you can. Adam was very happy with lesser pay. TW2 की जगह पे also. Adam was happy with lesser pay also. Some विद्वान people may want to toggle with also के also अपन आगे लिख सकते हैं क्या? लिख सकते हैं. You may write Adam was also happy with lesser pay. या तो Adam also was happy with lesser pay. The last one may not be very suitable. Best to write also in the end and get it over with. Alright? The fourth one now. The king was too smart to be easily fooled. TW2 दिख रहा है? Yes. TO2 दिख रहा है? Yes. TW2 plus TO2, so plus that. The king was too smart. अच्छा एक काम करते हैं इसमें ना is लिखते हैं, was बहुत हो गया. The king is too smart to be easily fooled. Okay? Is मतलब present tense. Present tense मतलब cannot. The king is too smart to be easily fooled. The king. अच्छा first I'll think about the answer. Okay? The king is too smart to be easily fooled. TW2 के जगह पे so आएगा, TO2 के जगह पे that आएगा, and cannot. So the king is so smart that he cannot be easily fooled. Yes. So the king is TW2 के बदले so smart का smart that he cannot be easily fooled. अब इसमें ना थोड़ा छोटा चीज में दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा कि ही किधर से आया, ही अपने को एक्स्ट्रा लगाना पड़ा, assuming that the king is a he. Okay, so ये he है, so we are adding the word he. Okay, the oranges were too sour. TW2 is given, TO2 is not given. So what do? Remove TW2, add very in the same place. So the oranges were very sour. I hope all of you may have understood the explanation of this, a very simple topic, but something again that you should not underestimate. ये तो मेरे को आता है और फिर marks नहीं आते. Better to go by the rules. Do not directly try to write the answer. Alright? So what we'll do is, again, as our tradition goes, we'll be having exercise written over here, answers written over there, and see if you are able to answer it. Just pause the video for a while and you can copy everything that you can see on the board right now.